Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to add a Polaroid frame onto your Instagram story. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing that we need to do is open an Instagram. But make sure that your Instagram is in the latest version. You can check that on Play Store app or something else. Okay, once you figured out that your Instagram is updated, click on your story. Here, select the photo from your gallery that you want to post. When you select the photo, click on this sticker button at the top of the screen. Here, click on frames located at the right side of the screen and select another photo that you want to post in your Polaroid frame. Here you can add caption or not. And that's it. You pasted your photo. Now just click on your story, and as you can see now, when I posted it, when I open my story, it is blurred out, and if I tap on it, it will reveal itself. That's all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, click that like button and maybe subscribe. Until next one, bye.